Hello.
Let's go, let's go. I am ready to put on a show.
Hello, Ed boys. Many doors, yeah? Too much? Or couch potato Ed boys like yourself?
Hello, cutie pie.
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Yahoo! Here I go!
I'm going to kill some kids today. I'm looking for the chump.
Huh?
Yay!
Hey, hey, hey!
Nope.
Okay.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay.
Go, go, go!
Okay, let's go!
Yay, yay! Wow, congratulations!
Thank you very much.
Wow, amazing!
Yay, yay!
Okay, let's go!
Huh?
Bye, have a great time! Ta-da! Here we go!
Goodbye.
We're in trouble now. Here I go! Woohoo! Whee!
Oh, hello. Going to find me some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
We're in trouble now.
Huh?
I got an idea.
Here we go!
Thanks, Pally.
Come on!
Okay, okay. Here I go!
Here we go!
Woohoo! I'm ready!
Go, go, go!
Bye, have a great time!
Hello, cutie pie.
Okay.
Amazing!
Here we go!
Oh, hello.
Here I go!
Okay.
Ta-da! Yahoo!
Bye.
Let's go, let's go!
Going to find some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Bye-bye. Woohoo! Oh, yes!
Goodbye.
Yay! Oh, no! Wow! Congratulations!
Bye, have a great time.
Okay, let's go!
Woohoo! Bye-bye!
Ta-da!
Wow! Congratulations!
I like that.
Amazing! Bror, niemand boeit!
Oh, yes. You tell me, sweet little boy.
Hey, what happened?
Uh-oh. Jay, is that you? What happened? How did Rod capture Liz?
Nicer, nicer!
You're a great team.
Oh yeah!
Going to find me some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
I took $30,000 in credit card debt. When they call, I tell them I can't pay it back yet. Credit card debt.
Oh, what a beautiful child. Come here. I have a gift for you. That's right.
Aha!
Oh, hello, chubby boy.
Okay, let's go!
Yummy, yummy in my tummy.
Come on!
You're a great team.
Nicer, nicer! Oh yeah!
Bye.
Okay, let's go!
Yes, you. I know you have Liz, and I want you to release her.
Okay, okay.
Uh-huh. Right.
Good gravy!
Get in here, you little
Too easy. Piece of cake.
Nicer, nicer!
I have $30,000 in credit card debt.
Bye, have a great time.
Wow! Congratulations! Yahoo!
Yes, you. I know you you have Liz, and I want you to release her.
Bror, niemand boeit!
Oh, hello, chunky boy. Now you're chunky and bubby just like I like. Open up and say, perfect landing.
Uh-oh.
You're a great team.
Whoa, amazing! Hey, what happened?
I got an idea.
Oh, hello! Hooray! Question mark? Okay, let's go! Bror, niemand boeit!
Come on, man.
Too easy. Piece of cake.
Eisen, Eisen!
Hey, it's me, Goku.
Thanks, Pally.
Very good.
Okay.
Aha!
Wow! Congratulations!
Oh, yeah! Yahoo!
Very good.
Come on, step it up! Hooray! Question mark?
It's crazy. What are you talking about? Leave me alone.
Bye.
Here we go! Yeah!
Oh, what a beautiful child. Come here. I have a gift.
Bye, have a great time.
Hello!
Aha!
I am ready to put on a show!
Hooray! Hooray! Here I go!
I sound like a 14-year-old, but my boobs are huge! I am ready to put on a show!
Bruh.
Hello!
Come on!
Mario's gonna be something pretty illegal.
Say what?
Bruh.
Here we go!
Yes.
Easy!
Nice, nice.
Going to kill some kids tonight. today. Looking for the chubby ones. Going to find some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Ho ho! Here I go! Whoa! Amazing! Here we go! Woohoo!
Evacuate the building. Let's go.
Bye, have a great time.
Here we go!
I am ready to put on a show!
Wow! Congratulations! I sound like a 14-year-old, but my boobs are huge! 料理は愛情おいしくよ
Hello! Good morning, good morning. We talked the whole night through. Good morning to you.
Thank you, come again.
My God, are you still?
Okay, let's go!
Bye-bye!
Okay.
Okay! Oh, yes!
Go, go, go!
Going to catch some kids today. I'm looking for the chubby ones. I'm going to find some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun. Bye bye.
Okay. Good job!
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
The world would be such a better place without all of those minorities.
Mario's gonna do something illegal.
Bye. Okay.
Amazing!
Here I go!
I have $30,000 in credit card debt. When they call, I tell them I can't pay it back yet. Credit card debt.
Bye, have a great time.
Oh, hello.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
I am ready to put on a show!
Hello, cutie pie.
Here I go!
Let's go, let's go!
Hello, Ed boys. Many doors, yeah? Too much or couch potato Ed boys like yourself?
Hey, hey, hey.
Okay.
Whoa! Amazing!
Hey, hey, hey.
Oh, no.
Okay.
Okay, let's go!
Wow! Congratulations! Yay! Yay!
Thank you very much!
Come on!
Bye, have a great time.
Wow!
Here we go!
I'm going to kill some kids today. I'm looking for the jump clubby ones. I'm going to find me some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Bye.
I am ready to put on a show.
What a beautiful chunk. Come here. I have a gift for you. That's right. Come a little.
Here we go! Whoa! Amazing!
Go, go, go!
Hello.
Liz, I think you're confused, boy.
Do not count on me. I don't want to go back to that van in a million years.
Nani?
We're in trouble now. Hello.
Good morning, good morning. We talked the whole night through. Good morning to you.
I sound like a 14-year-old, but my boobs are huge.
Yes. In the end, I managed to jump at one of the stops. Are you all right?
Dori, 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 dori.
Okay.
Oh, yes.
Okay, let's go!
Haha, you're a great team.
Here we go!
Go, go, go!
Bye, have a great time.
Yeah, let's go.
Wow, congratulations.
Whoa! Amazing!
Okay.
Let's go!
Go, go, go!
I have $30,000 in credit card debt. When they call, I tell them I can't pay it back yet. Credit card debt.
Bye-bye.
Go, go, go!
Uh-oh.
Wow.
Oh, yes.
Okay, let's go! Bye!
Wow, congratulations.
Yahoo!
Haha, you're a great team.
Oh yeah!
Very good.
Open up and say, perfect landing. Oh, hello, Jumpboy. Now you're jumping, clubby, just like I like it.
Hooray! Question mark? Roar, niemand boeit!
Right. Let's go, girls. Yummy in my tummy.
Okay.
Come on, man.
and I want you to release her.
Too easy. Piece of cake.
Nice, nice.
I like that. You little rat.
Bye.
Hooray! Question mark? Aha! Nice, nice. Okay, let's go.
Oh, what a beautiful child. Come here. I have a gift. Where's your mommy? Would you like to try some of my delicious ice cream?
Bye, have a great time.